So here's how to edit website on Wix. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to sign into your Wix account. If you don't have an account, you will have to create one first. After signing in, you will be taken to your Wix dashboard. Locate the website you want to edit and click on the edit site button. This will open the Wix editor for your selected website. The Wix editor is a drag and drop website builder that allows you to customize your website easily. Spend some time and getting familiar with the various elements and tools available in the editor. To edit text on your website, simply click on the text you want to change. A text box will appear allowing you to edit the content. You can change the text font, size, color and alignment using the text editing toolbar. You can also edit images on Wix. Click on an image to select it. You can then replace the image with a new one from your computer or Wix media library. You can also adjust the image size, position and add effects to if desired. Wix also allows to add and remove elements. To add new elements to your website, click on the plus add button on the left hand side of the editor. This will open a panel with various elements you can add, such as text boxes, images, videos, buttons, contact forms and more. Drag and drop the elements you want to add onto your website. You can also use the design and the layout options available in the editor to modify the appearance of your website. You can change colors, fonts, backgrounds, images and more to match your branding and style. Wix also allows to add or remove pages from your website using the page menu on the left. To modify the navigation menu, click on the menu element and you can edit its content and layout. At the top right corner, you will be able to view this publish option to publish your website. Wix automatically saves your changes as you work, but it's always a good idea to save manually from time to time, especially after making significant edits. Before making your change live, preview your website to see how it looks on different devices. Once you are satisfied, click the publish button in the top right corner to make your edits live and visible to visitors. So that's how to edit website on Wix.